Hey everybody, I got a great service for you, and it's an IPTV service. It's a paid service, but it is probably gonna be one of the best. So stay tuned. If you haven't already done it, we're giving this free lifetime IPTV VOD service, Superbox S1 Pro. What you need to do to enter to win this is go to this video and make sure you watch it. Smash the thumbs up button and put a comment in the comment section. Once we hit 1,000 thumbs up, we're going to go ahead and give this away. Maybe even 2 of them. So get over there and do that after this video. Okay, so now look, if you guys got questions or anything like that, please comment it down below. We use these comments, I answer them all. I don't think, if it's a statement, I just put a heart or something on there. But yeah, if it's a question, I do everything I can to answer it and find you the information you need. So if you have a comment, please put it in the comments below. And it helps us and it helps the community and it'll help us grow. YouTube has the best servers out there. I mean, Google, YouTube, it's all the same. But they have their own server farms all over the world. They have the best servers pushing their stuff. That's why it works so well for YouTube and their movies and so forth. But they do have a TV service, a live TV service that I think you might like. It's not really that expensive. Well, hell, let's just dive into it and I'll just show it to you real quick. Hey, here we are, YouTube TV. I'm telling you, if you haven't checked this out, you need to do this. They're adding more and more channels, and they're making more and more deals. And you're talking about a company with the best servers in the world. And this is just it's a streaming service that they offer. It's $50 a month. You can try it for free, which I do suggest you try. These are just some of the channels. So they have all the main channels, and you can watch live TV from 70 different channels, 70 plus channels. You put your zip code in here. Let's say 90001. I think that's a California zip code. And it takes you get these in your subscription also for all your local newses, all your local channels and so forth, and then you have all the rest of these. Now, YouTube is making deals all the time, getting more and more channels. So I think they're going to be a big player. I mean, a real big player, because they have more money than anybody else. That I think it's one of those services, like I said, and plus, if you're watching YouTube all the time, you can watch 4K YouTube without any buffering whatsoever. As long as you have a decent internet, of course, but it's a lot cheaper than a lot of the cables and satellites out there. You can always add on extra stuff, but let's go ahead and try it for free. I'm going to go ahead and blur that crap out so you don't see it anyways. Okay, next. Okay, these are the add-ons, which we're not going to do right now, but you can later. Okay. Now remember, I'm using my internet service isn't great. So, this is going to be kind of nice here. Let's see what we got here for, okay, speed, audio track, quality. We can bump the quality up to 1080p, 60 frames per minute. And there you go. Okay, now one of the cool things I like about YouTube TV is, when you do a DVR function, it usually goes to the actual device you are on, their hard drive, that hard drive, I should say, on the device you're on. And with YouTube, it's actually on their servers. So you don't have that weighing into your, space on your hard drive it's just one thing to look at. They do have just a really great DVR system that you can and right there, it's added to my library. This is just you just click it. Let's see, damage report. I don't know what else I want on here, but this just gives you an idea like that. And then you go finish and set up your TV if you want to do it this way. You can watch it on your TV. Options include a Firestick TV, which is kind of nice. That handles with your Alexis, the Roku, Apple TV, Xbox, Samsung, LG, Android TV, Chromecast, with more to follow. I don't need to set up my TV because it's all already done. It's just it's a great way to go. The neat thing about this is you can have 5 accounts with this, and that means if you set up like your mother-in-law, and she could get it at her house, the same thing. But you're gonna have 5 accounts. You can have, if you have 3 kids, you can put 3 accounts there for them, so they can choose their programming they want to see and so forth. So that's kind of cool. And another good thing with this is it travels with you. It works on the phone just as well as it does on your computer or on your TV box. But the phone is really, it's the same as your computer anymore. And you can use your Chromecast there, actually take an HDMI cable adapter with your phone for hotels or what have you. But it does travel with you. That is one of the cool things. Now, the one thing I don't like, there's a couple of things, I guess, but there isn't any channel numbers. I don't like that. No return button on your actual Android box, so you can't just return to a different, the channel you were watching when you switch. The only other thing that I would say I don't like about it is you can't get your sports packages like the NFL package, the NBA package, and so forth. At least not yet. I understand that they are working on that. But other than that, this is a great way to save a lot of money if you are a satellite user or a cable user. On average, you're going to be looking at $1,300 to $1,500 a year saving. Now, I know you're going to say, okay, well, online it says satellite for this same type of package on YouTube TV is only $69. Yeah, it is for the first year. And after that, by the time you're done, you're going to be looking into almost $200 a month on your basic satellite package. I know, I've been there. And with cable, it's really the same thing. Now, you got to understand you will be using a lot more internet now, so you may take a little of that money and put it towards a better internet service, a higher bandwidth and so forth. But other than that, it's a great way to save money. It's a great way to watch all the things you need to watch. You can actually on your computer make this screen smaller, so you get all more into it. But yeah, it's a very good, like I said, it's a very good setup that you're gonna want to use. And here's my favorites that I remember I clicked in the beginning. They're going to record all this for me. Anything you miss, it's going to be here, which is really nice. Although this one here is no longer on, but I think you really like it. You can add HBO Max, but we can get that. It's on a trial. This is a nice way to go. The neat thing about this now is, with a lot of streaming services, but this one here, like I said, it's so dependable. It's so dependable, and you're not waiting for a technician to come out and hook up a satellite dish or put in a cable box or, it's instant. Once you sign up, you're in it, you're watching. So I think you'd like it. You might want to give it a try. Give it a free trial, and I'll put a link down there. I'm not getting anything from this. I just would like you to know what's all out there. Well, there you go. Preview it for yourself. It's really a great program. If you're wanting legal and high quality service, this is it. YouTube's going to be around a while. They're buying up so many things. They're getting more channels. They are getting more of everything because, you know, well, they're Google. So, you know, this is one that I think you should take a look at. I think it's pretty good. I think it's really great, but, you know, it is a paid service. So, but it is legal. It is, you know, you don't need a VPN to use it, but I still say you should have a VPN on anything you are connected to the internet. That's why I suggest a VPN. As you can see, it's $1.77 a month. You can't, I mean, for this service, I mean, look at this. You have unlimited devices against the others. It has everything, you know, and it's actually a lower cost. I'm not going to say cheaper because it's just a heck of a service. And it has all this. You have 15 Netflix libraries, whitelisted, clean web. It has all that. One subscription, unlimited devices. You can put it on anything, and it just works great. They're in 1,700. They have 1,700 servers plus, and they keep adding all the time. And they're in 63 countries. They also have a 30-day guarantee. So if you don't like it, you know, cancel it. So just buy now and you're all set. Now, once you're in, it's really great. You can just kind of go to any country. I'm connecting to Sweden just because they don't have a DCMA ruling. Just so you can get, you know, servers from all over the world, and it protects you. Well, I hope you liked it. If you did, please support the channel. I appreciate that so much. And I want to thank all my subscribers. And if you're not subscribed, you might consider doing that. It costs you nothing, but it does help the channel. So please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, support the channel, and until next time, keep watching. I just want to say thank you for watching the whole video to the end. And I want to appreciate everybody that does that. If you would, though, if you're not subscribed, hit that little button right here. It will help the channel tremendously. And as always, maybe look at our other videos here and you might get an idea of what you want next on your system. And until next time, I'll see you.